Mama will make vukoso, okay?
No, my love vukoso to eat, Mama. Hi, I'm Esther. I said Mama in the video.
Yeah. I'll give him this one. He's working already in the garden. This corn has to go quickly in the ground. Today, hubby did the whole thing, yeah? Ta-da! Our twisted donut is ready. I have 3 different varieties of lettuce. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Again, I washed the clothes and I'm gonna dry here now. So here we used to dry our clothes. In winter time, we used to dry in the dryer, but summertime outside. So let me hang quickly. Yeah, the bok choy. I was thinking to harvest and they are flowering. Oh, let me harvest quickly, guys. Right now, I'll make noodles. So, in the noodles, it's very matching na. The noodles they banay lo waya. Kile pulo lai sho imman joldi. They are growing so fast because it's warm now na. To gorom hoile to joldi tangro hoi jay de takhan. Ay. Look at this, guys. Iman paise pata hai bok choy. Papa hai. So much I got. Man bhal na. Big blessing. So right now I'm washing the leaves 2-3 times. Na pata khan to bhal bara thulawo lage 2 bar 3 bar nga na. Man healthy ase. Thula dem de sob bhangi jay ase. They are very soft. I'm making here YY for Esther. Sometimes I used to make this one. Here in Amazon na we get YY. So this is for Esther, but I'll not give all to her because this is 2 packets I'll also eat. And then for myself, I'll make this Shin Ramyeon kimchi. This is from Akazani. She gave me last time when we visited her na. So I'll eat this also, but I don't know how is the taste. That's why I made here extra YY also. Wedding is going on, guys. Wedding cars. That's why they are blowing horn like this. Otherwise, it's not normal in Germany to blow horn.
Yes, we have.
Wedding cars are going. So nice.
Yeah, you have to say beep beep.
Yeah. These are all wedding cars. Hochzeit, Esther. This is Hochzeit. Someone is getting married. So here is my noodles with bok choy greens, and Esther is making Lego. See, let's eat. For me, I like noodles, but not this ready-made one. No, for me, don't like which I can make myself. Chow mein. I like chow mein. Nah. But these are also not bad sometimes though. Golo masay. Pata. Nice, this noodle also kimchi flavor is there. This is my lunch. This I have plenty of greens in my garden now, so we eat every day greens. Lâm cho ai na cho pa po chon za. Lâm na cho ăn dập. Thế nào hình chỗ, thế nào nhìn chỗ đồ mà món nè, mà khăn hali leo là vô, bắt là gì tụi bi, mà khăn đồ chuột time bara, green boil khăn đồ khai cái này chứ đồ, tụi con này ăn đã sẽ đồ. Khorde billy tak barabina green boil khai de mohala khorde wokha de munni nampa squash ayen jang do shona karap echoina de boil jang en zanaya What I'm saying is, for me, I grew up eating greens. Every day we eat greens at home. And even our cat used to eat squash leaf, no, boil. Our cat used to eat the kruk, 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 kruk like that. Yeah. Acha, khai lo de. Oh, my husband is also home now. Esther went running towards Papa. So before I made this juice, my husband is home. I'll give him this one. He's working already in the garden. This one, my darling, so nice. Yeah. Lo, drink. This is na cucumber, kiwi, apple, und vano kaste. Yeah, that's was na. Ah, it's dripping already. Raining. Ah, nice, refreshing.
Yeah.
Nice na. So we'll make one bed here quickly and plant corn, guys. But if it rains, then it will be a problem. Yeah. Then if there are ants, so what shall we do? Yeah.
So that's not good, I think.
Yeah, not good, not good.
They bring house there and inside.
Oh no. Then Okay, my hubby has finished making this bed. Now I will fill this bed with manure and then I'll start planting. It's gonna rain, guys. And he is, see, repairing the greenhouse also. So all this has to go there. Acha, the bed is full now. Hey, look at the manure. Iman bhal halishi de aromoy aya. Kujolte chapaisho. Kotasile. It's paining so much. Okay, quickly I have to plant the corn now. It's raining. This corn has to go quickly in the ground. So guys, I finished planting it. Hey, this is okay. Actually here in Germany, no, they plant the corn very near, okay, because they use machine for harvesting na. So if the manure is good, it's okay. So, and moreover, I don't have space also, so I hope they'll come nicely. And then today is a very good timing. Now is a very good timing because now it's raining. So whenever we are planting vegetable and if it rains, it's very good sign. So I'm very happy. Now let's go inside. Esther is very busy there. I finished cleaning the house also. What are you making, Esther?
Ich spiele gerade Kindergarten.
Oh, kindergarten. Ah, she's playing kindergarten, play school.
Tada!
And she's the teacher, is him. And wo ist die Kinder?
Hier sind Kinder.
Ah, und du bist die Lehrerin, ha?
Ja.
Esther is the teacher, no?
Ja, und heute ist bunte Farben.
Okay. And let me show you here my windows. Look at this jungly windows. I like it when it's like this. See, this philopnosis was the first gift from my husband, okay? And till now, it's blooming. Hey. Philopnosis. Valentine's Day laga gift thagishide. It's already 2 years now and it keeps on blooming. Inne na pulto. So see, this was the first stem na, and from here it came, and from here now it's coming. So you should not remove the stem, okay? Side para ulai do aro he sabina enga aside. Philopnosis kan to bishi interesting ase. They are very interesting. So we should not remove this also. See, this is the old one. I'm just keeping it. They look like this, and this is aloe vera plant. This is dendrobium. That's also aloe vera plant. And I have how many? 1, 2, 3. See, this is also from the side. See, side na, from the old stem. Flower is coming out. So 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 plants. This one also from the side it's coming, and this is the new one. Ngana side para. So it's like this. I love to have plants near the window. So it looks like this, a little bit dark. And there is Esterline. Tada! Oh, they're also sleeping. Okay, Esterline, Makzu, bitte close it. Otherwise, if it falls down, then finish. It will spill, na?
Yeah. Then Mama had to clean again.
Yeah, Mama is so tired of cleaning. Okay, really? Yeah. Only one child, but it's like I have 5 kids. Yeah, Estherline.
Yeah, we have 5 kids today. See?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You together, we have 5 kids. This Esther also.
So,
And here, I'm defrosting this pretzel. Very hungry. I ate 1 bread in the morning. That's it. Now we'll heat up this one, and with chai I'll have. And here is the tea bar from my hubby. So all it's like this. He used to take teas in his work. So what I'm gonna do is here I'll be arranging all the teas here. Then na teulay na rakidibo. This is also different type of teas. So I'll just arrange here like this. Okay, I've put all the tea bags here now. Let's lock it here. Hey. Yeah, so these are all empty now. So I'll throw oh, one is here. Okay, I'll put it there. See, shalop asena. And here this 2 is not yet open, so I'll throw this away. I'll close it. Esther is making a good video for Mama, yeah? Mama is gonna cook. What is this, Esti?
flesh.
Yeah, wokoso. Mama will make wokoso, okay?
No, my love focusu to eat, Mama.
Yeah. Please don't shake, okay? Otherwise people will get dizzy, nah. Guys too.
Yeah.
Like this. Then Esther will eat wokoso with what?
With rice.
Yeah.
Focusu we can eat also with spaghetti.
Yeah. Everything it goes, nah. Naga style wokoso, okay?
And Mommy, do you know when you cut in the food, the cutters also kaput?
Yeah. So today we are gonna eat wokoso and rice.
Mommy, I cannot hold too long.
Now, who is taking video for Mama? Who is that girl? Who are you?
Hi, I'm Esther. I'm going with Papa and Calvin, and ich kann vorne setzen.
They don't know what you are saying, Esti. Stay in English.
Also, ich gehe mit.
No. English. I'm
Okay.
going with Papa.
I'm going with Papa to buy something, and I am vorne setzen.
In front, I'm sitting.
And front I'm sitting.
Yeah, front.
With
near
Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah, and wir singen das Brotlied.
Esther is very happy to go out.
Yes, and I have halbe Hose.
Okay, now again, I'm gonna harvest salad. So let's go and harvest some lettuce and radish in the garden. See, they are so happy. Motor shame. Itu patabi khai de. Acha, let's take this one. See na he, the bugs they are eating, but it's okay. I'll peel the cover and then take it. Ye tebi ekta ase. These are just for one time na. Ulai gina loile hoise. Tebi ase ekta. Again one more. Here, see? Aya, so good na. Iman bal sabi na. So, ajibi iman paise de. For salad, this much I got today also. See? I've got this kuve also, 2 pieces. If I add here in the salad, then it becomes so tasty. Now let's go inside. Inside. Ay. Oh, you guys are back.
Yeah.
See?
Okay.
Some color pen.
Salad. Okay, new color pencil.
Yeah.
Why? You have lots, na, dear baby.
It wasn't often, only 130.
Okay. Okay. Time pass for Esther. It will rain or not? Oh.
Not rain also.
Then we have to water. It's so dry because of the wind, na. So here I'm making pork, and here I'm gonna fry the dal, black dal. And here I've already washed the salad leaves and I'm draining it, na. Pani olop drain hobole dibo, noile to salad te pani hoi jabo na. ঠিক para thulai shede he 3 bar 4 bar na mati bishi thake na iman healthy ase he aro bishi crunchy ase he bishi crunchy na I'll show you how crunchy it is. So good. Let us taste it, so good. With this ghee, I'm gonna fry this black dal. Okay, black dal is always good with ghee na. Tel no na ghee no ile butter de. Beshi mile kala dal de. Once it's hot, we can add cumin seeds. Everywhere cumin seeds for me. I like to add na. Let's add garlic also a little bit. I've added the onion now, and then we'll not add haldi, okay? Turmeric powder will not add, otherwise instead of black dal it will become yellow dal. So we'll fry like this till the onion is golden brown, and then we'll add in the dal. Let's cut the salad. So pork is also ready now. Dal is also ready. Kala dal also man mitha se steaming. So our food is ready there. Black dal, rice, pork, and salad. Here is my plate. Rice, black dal, king chili chutney, pork, and leaves. They are also eating. Super hot the food is. Esther, eat rice and wok also. We prayed already. Lekka, Esther? Yeah, na? It's tasty. Oh, it's my turn to eat. See, this is from the radish, the round radish. I don't throw the leaf. Apa. Korom ase korom.
Okay?
Okay?
I said Mama in the video.
Yeah. Papa not, yeah?
Yeah, but some blacks is mehr here.
Yeah. Wok also is tasty.
Then,
Finish everything, okay?
So we have some surprise, Ali.
Yeah. Don't drink too much now, baby. Pork is good, no?
Oh, wir Augentanz essen.
She also wants with hand. Yeah. So it's the next day today. We finish our breakfast. Now today we are gonna make twisted donut.
Yeah,
And in Korean it's called kwabegi. Na Esther? Sakma kwabegi.
for baking.
So 2 tablespoons butter. So we'll melt this one first. So this will be Esther's first time, no, Esther Lai? For Papa and Mama to in India. We made so much and we sold also, nah? Okay, the butter has melted. One. It's exact. It's okay. Yeah, put the whole thing in the cup now. Okay, that was just for measuring. So now, 1 cup milk.
Ja, gleich. Kannst reinmachen.
Now, 2 TBSP sugar.
Einmal, oder? Noch einmal? Okay.
Put, Esther, put.
Good.
Okay. Half teaspoon salt. The liquid is already cold. It has to lukewarm. It has to be lukewarm. Otherwise, the yeast will not work. So we are heating it up. It should not be hot also. Otherwise, the yeast will die again. So stir nicely. Esther is stirring now. Okay, now add 1 egg.
Is this stir it?
Now stir it, Esther. Mix it.
Nicely.
Now the yeast has to go there. Mix it. Esther, don't stir, okay?
Jetzt mal
Okay.
bisschen rühren, Esther.
Yeah, and keep for 5 minutes. Okay, Esther,
Okay,
that's
good,
it,
good,
that's
good,
it, that's it. And keep for 5 minutes. When
Cover.
wait.
Then it's gonna be a plate.
Yeah, here, plate is there. Now you guys has to clean the station.
So, ist erstmal fertig, Esther.
Make place here, Esther. Now the real work starts, Esther Line. I am their instructor and videographer for today. Yeah, wipe it nicely, Esti. Da is nice. There is wet. Wipe it, please. Vorsicht, be careful. Here. Yeah. Now here you will need the dough, nah? So it has to be dry and clean, okay? Good girl, Esther Line. And we have to measure also. Yeah.
Yeah, we have to roll the dough together.
Yeah.
But when we roll the dough together, it looks like candy.
Yeah, nah? Okay, good girl. Esther is doing a good job, baby Line. Thumbs up for you.
Yay! I love to eat kwabeki.
Yeah, nah? Today we are gonna have kopeki. So now check whether the yeast has activated or not, guys. It's 5 minutes already. Oh, so
Yeah.
nicely activated. Look at that,
Yeah.
Esther. Now pour it there. Everything. Yeah. Pour it there. And then you have to add 3 cups of flour. Esther is overexcited now.
Rein.
Yeah. Okay, again, 2 times.
Den Mix mache ich, okay?
Gut.
Okay, so we'll let it. Hey, excuse me, Esther. We'll let it rest for 1 hour and we'll check it after 1 hour. Okay, now it looks like that, but it raised, nah?
Yeah.
It's so cold, nah? That's the thing. We kept near the heater. If it's warm, then it will be actually bigger. Esther, don't touch now, okay, baby? See, Esther has already changed the clothes, guys. Again, afterwards, she'll be in another dress, guys. In a day, I don't know how many times Esther used to change. And knead it nicely. And again, it has to rest for 40 minutes again, Esther. Okay, after 40 minutes, now, let's check it. Oh,
yeah.
It's ready to roll now. So now make the shape, yeah? So it has to be exact. We have to weigh it. Otherwise, some will be big, some will be small. But then you can remove the plate also. Now, just on top of that, you can do. Just small, yeah. That will be easier to.
43, no, you said?
Yeah, 43 point something.
Mach eine Pizza.
Okay, so while making the shape, others has to be covered like this. Otherwise, it will get dry. So hubby is making shape long. It has to be. And then one side left, one side right.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, like that, and pinch at the end that it don't come out. Yeah, that's
And then we'll keep it there again.
yeah,
That's the
yeah.
right.
Uh-huh.
I'm
We have to
making
cover
a
it.
difference.
Look at this, guys. Look at this lovelies. Okay, we have to rest it for 20 minutes now. Here, Esther camera got hanged, so we're trying to fix it. Oh, it's off now. Yeah, now it will work. Ja, it's working now. Guck mal, du kannst Bilder machen, Esther, jetzt.
Aber Papa, ich wollte hier.
Okay, Esther, make me picture. Can you see me?
Hier?
Show me. Show my picture. Where is it?
Huh?
Don't flip this too much. Before also you flip. That's why it's gone.
There.
Ah, there is Mama. Okay, it looks like this now. So we'll start frying it. There you go. Esther also wants to make a picture with her camera. Show me your camera.
Und, check mal. Ja, kann man später mal gucken, wenn die Bilder
Ja.
gemacht hast.
Looking so good. Today Hubby did the whole thing, yeah? Oh, our chai is also boiling here. Wow,
Wow.
looking so nice. I know, well, making is a lot of work, but we will enjoy it. Oh, so good. Wow. Renang-renang na mo,
Renang,
sayang.
renang, yes, renang.
Renang-renang na mo, za.
Don't stay like this.
Esther one is too light to keep it in the middle of,
The giants.
yeah, the giants. Oh, I can remember the taste now, okay? When we were eating in India. Oh wow, slowly getting ready. And then do like this. It's like see guys, it's gonna be so crunchy.
And mine is too small.
Yeah, small and cute, na baby line?
Yeah, like a mouse.
Wow, look at that crunchiness. Now second batch is happening also. Now let's put some sugar in it to make it tasty. The strainer. Ooh, it's gonna be tasty. Wow. Estherline, cook mother. So, this one for you. Oh,
Hot?
no, it's not hot. Look. Eat once, it's so crunchy, Esti. Crunchy, na? Bite again? Because of that, we cannot hear the crunchy sound. Ta-da! Our twisted donut is ready. This one we will eat now with tea, and this one we will eat tomorrow. How is it?
Good.
Good, na? Let me try now. It's Mama's turn. Wait a second.
Der ist die Schokolade, schmilzt alles.
Guys, I ate a small donut, guys.
Reminds me of India. So good. Very crunchy, spongy. So good. I'll eat 3 pieces. The chai is also so good. Happy that we made it. I mean, you made it.
Came out nice. Not the word.
Wait, now? So good. Today the weather is so bad. It's so cold. Ooh, summer and then it's so cold. So right now, again, I am here in my garden to take salad. It's there, so we have to eat. Khabo lage na. To salad ulai lobo de itia. See, I have too much, so I used to just pull out like this, okay? The whole plant lettuce na. Tukan de sop ulai dibo. Itu kan na. Sabi do man tango rohe. Ay. Man healthy as rohe. Look at this. Wow. So I have 3 different varieties of lettuce this year in my garden. Look at this, and I love it. Sabi tinta kishim ase de mui laga garden de this time do bijon thik para rakhibo. And And that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.